Hello kids, in this video we will learn some shapes and color name. So let's start. Here are our colors. Purple color, violet color, yellow color, red color, orange color, green color, is black color, is right triangle, equilateral triangle, pie or partial circle. It is heart. Right arrow. Oval. Let's color these shapes. Green color. It is right triangle. It has 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. 3 sides. Purple color. It is equilateral triangle. It has 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. And all sides are equal. Violet color. It is partial circle or pie. It is red color. It is heart. Heart is a shape. Yellow color. It is right arrow. Its direction is rightward. Orange color. It is oval. It has no side. Kids, let us recall the shapes and color name once again. It is right triangle, green color, equilateral triangle, purple color, pie or partial circle, violet color, heart, red color, right arrow, yellow color, oval, orange color. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe and keep learning. Bye bye.